Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials and starting the upload now. Sign into the correct Google account and verify you have storage space. If you hit limits, free or buy space. Next, use Chrome or an updated browser because Drive relies on modern features. Once done, disable privacy extensions or ad blockers temporarily. These interfere with uploads. Then drag files into Drive or use the upload button. You're taking control early to avoid common blockers. Once the upload starts failing, diagnose systematically so you don't guess. Clear cache and cookies or open an incognito window. This resets corrupted sessions and cookies quickly. Check the file. Large archives, unusual characters, or very long names can stall uploads. Rename or split files as needed. Try a small test file to see if the problem is global. If you're syncing many files, switch to Drive for desktop. It handles batched uploads more reliably than the web interface. To finish, monitor progress and act on failures immediately. Pause and resume or reupload individual files rather than repeating the whole batch. Make sure your browser, operating system, and Drive app are updated. Outdated software often breaks transfer protocols. If issues persist, restart your browser or computer to clear stuck processes. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch networks or disable extensions one at a time to find conflicts. Many upload failures are caused by a misbehaving extension or network firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.